Hi guys, welcome to Autofook.in. We'll be speaking about a new product today, which is the digital double barrel foot pump from Michelin. The box is quite good, quite sturdy, looks quite premium. So, if kept on a shelf, it will really attract people towards it because of the bright colors that they have chosen for the box. Looks quite good. Let us open it up. Okay. Just as you open the box, they have mentioned the features of the product. They have mentioned about their LED display, rubber plate, which is there, a locking lever, a high pressure hose. So the display is changeable from PSI to bar to kilopascal. It has rubber feet so that it does not move around, and it has different adapters also inside, which can be used to fill up air in different objects like toys and balls and things like that. Even for cycles that they have mentioned. That's a good thing. Let's take out the product in out. Okay. So just as you open it, there is a user manual inside this. You see this. Let us see what they have mentioned in here. Okay, they have mentioned what other products from Michelin are available to buy in the market. They have mentioned about this product, the specifications. Okay, they have also mentioned what all adapters are inside and how to change the battery and the different pieces, different parts of this item. Okay, that's not something that is very important to see, I think. Okay, let us take out the product. Okay, I think I should mention this. Just as you look at the product inside the box, it really strikes you because it's all black, looks really premium. Let us take it out. Oh, not that heavy as I expected it to be. So all metal construction, so I expected it to be heavy. Let us see what is there. Just have a closer look. Okay, so the hose is out on the back. This is the hose. This is fixed to one bracket which is there. Okay. And if you look here, they have attached the different adapters in here to fill up air in different items. So this one is for a football, this one is for toys, and I think this one is for air mattresses and things like that. And if, as you can see, there are two barrels, hence the double barrel. Let us try to activate it. Okay, so if you see here, there is this plastic piece which they have inserted inside the battery so that the battery does not get discharged when you have not started using it. So before you first use, you just pull it out. I believe it will start working. Let us pull it out. Easy pull. Yes, activated. Right. Let us see how to use it. So this lever has to be dislodged from the plates. Okay, so this is the piece which will go ahead and activate it. Oh yes, done. So now it comes out. So when you have to fill up air in your tires, attach this part to your tire, and since it's a foot pump, press this with your foot and this will fill up air. That's all. To me, looks really good. I'll suggest you to buy this because it does not take power from the car cigarette port, so there is one less job that you have to do. But yes, maybe this can be time consuming and some effort might be there to fill up air because it's your effort that is going to fill up the air in the tires. But anyways, it's a good thing. It's small, and to fill up air just in one tire or in when you are in a hurry, I think this can prove to be a very good accessory for your car. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening to us. Hi guys, now we'll be seeing how to use this double barrel Michelin inflator. For doing this, we'll first connect the inflator to the tire. very easy, did not take much of an effort, not did much leak. Next step, we will be releasing the lever. Released. Now we will be turning on the display so that we can see how much pressure is there currently. This is turned on, showing 28 points. We'll fill it up now. For that, we press this with our feet. Must tell you guys, this is really easy to do, not taking much effort, maybe because of the two barrels which are there. We have reached around 33 now. 34, 34.5, 35, 35.5, 36. We'll go to 36.5 so that while releasing some of the pressure will be lost. So as I see guys, that was really easy to do this and really convenient because did not have to connect anything to the cigarette lighter port like the traditional electrical ones. Really easy, really fast. Thank you guys.